How to invite people on Discord server. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how, in this step-by-step tutorial we are going to teach you, so let's just get started. First of all, head over to Discord app or discord.com and log in into your account and head over to your server first of all that you've created in which you would like to invite the person. So on your left side of your screen you should be finding the list of all of your servers, so you can just go ahead and locate one of the server that you've created. And once you reach over there, for example, I have selected this server right here, so you can go ahead and click on this work icon, like plus icon we have available. So you can look out for this plus icon, the add option, tap on it. And once you tap on it, we have this option where you can invite a friend. So all you gotta do is simply go ahead and look out for the invite option. So you can use this invite within the application itself by tapping on invite uh, beside each of the users of Discord, or we have this option of share invite or copy link, or you can directly use different applications like Telegram, WhatsApp. So for now, let's head over to share invite. For that, you can copy link, click on copy link, and you can just go ahead and close this application. Head over to WhatsApp and we'll go over and select a chat in which you would like to share. Just go ahead and click one. After that, just go ahead and paste the share link like this and click on send. And once that is done, that is how you do it. So this is basically how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.